Shaggy, drive me crazy, yeah.
Small lion.
Hello, how are you, Shaggy?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Hang it.
Yes, brother Shaggy.
You go to a short put.
Pardon?
Wait till the party again. I don't like him. As a person go shit, now everything they go to teach you.
Hey!
I thought it was on leave.
Oh, that boy got boy we don't expire there. Yeah. You don't get question to that. Show me.
What? What? The car where I say me finish, you don't finish it.
Okay, I don't finish and I only smile with me.
Only the fan. Waiting the happen for you.
Welcome, brother Shaggy.
Welcome for yourself. What's happen?
What is the meaning of BRT?
BRT. Now African Independent Television. The back betty yard. You okay? You waiting the meaning of LMNOPQ? You don't know. If I slap your face, yellow fever will catch your brain. God, why? Idiot.
Oh, and Shaggy better they go. God don't vex because we both so.
Get up here!
Thank you.